Hey there. Have you ever tried to send money on Cash App only to be met with the dreaded message, the recipient's account is unable to accept payment? Can be frustrating, especially when you need to transfer money quickly. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to fix the recipient's account is unable to accept payments on Cash App so you can get back to smoothly sending money without a hitch. Step 1. Verify recipient's information. The first step to fixing the issue is to verify the recipient's account information. Double check their Cashtag, phone number, or email address to ensure you've entered everything correctly. A slight typo can result in errors, so take a moment to confirm all the detail. If possible, ask the recipient to share their Cash App information again to ensure accuracy. Step 2. Ensure the recipient's account is active. Make sure the recipient's Cash App account is active and properly set up to receive payment. An inactive or unverified account can lead to payment issues. Ask the recipient to check their app to ensure they've completed any necessary verification steps, such as linking a bank account or debit card and verifying their identity prompt. Step 3. Check for Cash App updates. Sometimes app glitches occur due to outdated software. Ensure both you and the recipient have the latest version of Cash App installed. To do this, simply navigate to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Cash App and check for any available update. Keeping the app updated can resolve bugs that might be causing payment acceptance errors. Step 4. Review Cash App limit. Another potential reason for this error could be that the recipient has reached their Cash App limits for receiving funds. By default, unverified accounts can only receive a limited amount of money. Encourage the recipient to verify their account to increase these limits. This is done by providing further details to Cash App, such as their full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of their social security number. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it might be time to reach out to Cash App support for further assistance. Both you and the recipient can contact their support team through the app for personalized help. To do this, open Cash App, tap on the profile icon, scroll down to Cash Support, and select Something Else. Describe your issue in detail, and the support team will guide you through the next steps to resolve the problem. Running into the recipient's account is unable to accept payments message on Cash App can be a bit of a hassle, but by following these steps, you can tackle the issue head on. From verifying the recipient's information and ensuring their account is active, to checking for app updates and contact support, you'll have the tools to resolve the problem with ease. Remember, digital payments should be seamless and stress-free. By keeping your app updated and ensuring your recipient's account is set up and verified, you'll be able to enjoy uninterrupted transactions. Happy sending, and here's to smooth Cash App experiences in the future.